आज की इस वीडियो में मैं आपको 100 इम्पॉर्टेंट इडियम्स बताने वाली हूँ, इंग्लिश मीनिंग और हिंदी मीनिंग दोनों के साथ। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। दिस इज योर फर्स्ट इडियम, अ ब्लेसिंग इन डिस्गाइज। इंग्लिश मीनिंग, समथिंग दैट सीम्स बैड एट फर्स्ट बट लेटर प्रूव्स टू बी गुड। हिंदी मीनिंग, जो शुरुआत में बुरा लगे लेकिन बाद में अच्छा साबित हो, छुपा हुआ वरदान। एग्जाम्पल: failing the first attempt was a blessing in disguise because it made her preparation stronger. This is your second idiom, burn the midnight oil. English meaning, to work or study late at night. Hindi meaning, देर रात तक पढ़ाई या मेहनत करना. Example: he burned the midnight oil to complete his UPSC syllabus. This is your third idiom, hit the nail on the head. English meaning, to say something exactly right. हिंदी मीनिंग, बिल्कुल सही और सटीक बात कहना. Example: the teacher hit the nail on the head while explaining the reason for low marks. This is your fourth idiom, once in a blue moon. English meaning, something that happens very rarely. हिंदी मीनिंग, बहुत कम या कभी कभार. Example: she visits her village once in a blue moon. This is your fifth idiom, bite the bullet. English meaning, to face a difficult situation bravely. हिंदी मीनिंग, कठिन परिस्थिति का साहस के साथ सामना करना. Example: he decided to bite the bullet and start preparing seriously. This is your sixth idiom, break the ice. English meaning, to start a conversation. हिंदी मीनिंग, बातचीत की शुरुआत करना. Example: she told a funny story to break the ice in the interview. This is your seventh idiom, spill the beans. English meaning, to reveal a secret. हिंदी मीनिंग, राज खोल देना. Example: he accidentally spilled the beans about the surprise test. This is your eighth idiom, in the nick of time. English meaning, at the last possible moment. हिंदी मीनिंग, बिल्कुल अंतिम समय पर. Example: she reached the exam center in the nick of time. This is your ninth idiom, cut corners. English meaning, to do something carelessly to save time or money. हिंदी मीनिंग, काम में लापरवाही करना या शॉर्टकट लेना. Example: you should not cut corners while preparing for competitive exams. This is your 10th idiom, make both ends meet. English meaning, to manage expenses with limited income. हिंदी मीनिंग, कम आय में खर्चों का गुजारा करना. Example: he works part-time to make both ends meet. This is your 11th idiom, a piece of cake. English meaning, something very easy to do. हिंदी मीनिंग, बहुत आसान काम. Example: for her, solving maths questions is a piece of cake. This is your 12th idiom, cry over spilt milk. English meaning, to feel sad about something that has already happened and cannot be changed. हिंदी meaning, बीती बात पर पछताना. Example: there is no use crying over spilt milk after failing the test. This is your 13th idiom, under the weather. English meaning, feeling slightly ill or sick. हिंदी meaning, अस्वस्थ या बीमार महसूस करना. Example: she didn't attend the class because she was feeling under the weather. This is your 14th idiom, the ball is in your court. English meaning, it is your turn to take action or make a decision. हिंदी meaning, अब निर्णय या अगला कदम तुम्हें लेना है. Example: I have explained everything, now the ball is in your court. This is your 15th idiom, burn bridges. English meaning, to destroy relationships permanently. हिंदी meaning, रिश्तों को हमेशा के लिए तोड़ देना. Example: you should not burn bridges with your mentors. This is your 16th idiom, by leaps and bounds. English meaning, to progress very quickly. हिंदी meaning, बहुत तेजी से प्रगति करना. Example: her English has improved by leaps and bounds. This is your 17th idiom in hot water. English meaning, in trouble or difficulty. Hindi meaning, मुसीबत में होना. Example, he was in hot water for breaking the rules. This is your 18th idiom, keep an eye on. English meaning, to watch or monitor carefully. Hindi meaning, ध्यान रखना या नजर बनाए रखना. Example, please keep an eye on current affairs daily. This is your 19th idiom at 6s and 7s. English meaning, in a confused or disorganized state. Hindi meaning, अस्तव्यस्त या उलझी हुई स्थिति में. Example, after the sudden announcement, everyone was at 6s and 7s. This is your 20th idiom, call a spade a spade. English meaning, to speak the truth directly and honestly. Hindi meaning, सच को साफ-साफ कहना. Example, a good leader always calls a spade a spade. This is your 21st idiom, actions speak louder than words. English meaning, what you do is more important than what you say. Hindi meaning, शब्दों से ज्यादा कर्म महत्वपूर्ण होते हैं. Example, he proved his dedication because actions speak louder than words. This is your 22nd idiom, better late than never. English meaning, it is better to do something late than not do it at all. Hindi meaning, देर से करना, न करने से बेहतर है. Example, she started preparation late, but better late than never. This is your 23rd idiom, don't judge a book by its cover. English meaning, don't judge someone by appearance. Hindi meaning, केवल बाहरी रूप देखकर निर्णय न लें. Example, he looks simple, but don't judge a book by its cover. This is your 24th idiom, every cloud has a silver lining. English meaning, every bad situation has something good in it. Hindi meaning, हर बुरी परिस्थिति में भी कुछ अच्छा छिपा होता है. Example, even after failure, remember every cloud has a silver lining. This is your 25th idiom, practice makes perfect. English meaning, continuous practice leads to improvement. Hindi meaning, अभ्यास से पूर्णता आती है. Example, keep solving MCQs because practice makes perfect. This is your 26th idiom, time and tide wait for none. English meaning, time waits for no one. Hindi meaning, समय किसी का इंतजार नहीं करता. Example, start studying now, time and tide wait for none. This is your 27th idiom, Rome was not built in a day. English meaning, great things take time. Hindi meaning, बड़ी सफलता समय लेती है. Example, be patient in preparation, Rome was not built in a day. This is your 28th idiom, where there is a will, there is a way. English meaning, strong determination can overcome difficulties. Hindi meaning, जहाँ इच्छा होती है, वहाँ रास्ता निकल ही आता है. Example, she cleared UPSC because where there is a will, there is a way. This is your 29th idiom, a friend in need is a friend indeed. English meaning, a true friend helps in difficult times. Hindi meaning, जो मुसीबत में साथ दे वही सच्चा मित्र है. Example, he supported me during failure, a friend in need is a friend indeed. This is your 30th idiom, honesty is the best policy. English meaning, being honest is always the right approach. Hindi meaning, ईमानदारी ही सबसे अच्छी नीति है. Example, in the interview, honesty is the best policy. This is your 31st idiom, look before you leap. English meaning, think carefully before taking action. Hindi meaning, कदम उठाने से पहले सोच समझ लेना चाहिए. Example, choose your optional subject wisely, look before you leap. This is your 32nd idiom, no pain, no gain. English meaning, hard work is necessary for success. Hindi meaning, बिना मेहनत सफलता नहीं मिलती. Example, remember, no pain, no gain in competitive exams. This is your 33rd idiom, the early bird catches the worm. English meaning, people who act early get advantages. Hindi meaning, जो जल्दी शुरू करता है, उसे लाभ मिलता है. Example, start preparation early, the early bird catches the worm. This is your 34th idiom, all that glitters is not gold. English meaning, not everything that looks attractive is valuable. Hindi meaning, हर चमकने वाली चीज सोना नहीं होती. Example, don't trust fake promises, all that glitters is not gold. This is your 35th idiom, slow and steady wins the race. English meaning, consistent effort leads to success. Hindi meaning, धीरे धीरे लेकिन लगातार प्रयास सफलता दिलाता है. Example, daily study routine proves slow and steady wins the race. This is your 36th idiom, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. English meaning, healthy habits prevent illness. Hindi meaning, स्वस्थ आदतें बीमारी से बचाती है. Example, take care of health, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. This is your 37th idiom, too many cooks spoil the broth. English meaning, too many people can ruin a task. Hindi meaning, बहुत सारे लोग मिलकर काम बिगाड़ देते हैं. Example, group study fails sometimes because too many cooks spoil the broth. This is your 38th idiom, a stitch in time saves 9. English meaning, solving a problem early prevents bigger issues later. Hindi meaning, समय पर सुधार करने से बड़ी समस्या से बचा जा सकता है. Example, revise daily, a stitch in time saves 9. This is your 39th idiom, united we stand, divided we fall. English meaning, unity gives strength. Hindi meaning, एकता में शक्ति है. Example, teamwork shows united we stand, divided we fall. This is your 40th idiom, fortune favors the brave. English meaning, brave people get success. Hindi meaning, साहसी लोगों का भाग्य साथ देता है. Example, she attempted UPSC again because fortune favors the brave. This is your 41st idiom, at the 11th hour. English meaning, at the last possible moment. Hindi meaning, बिल्कुल आखिरी समय पर. Example, he submitted the form at the 11th hour. This is your 42nd idiom, back to square one. English meaning, to start again from the beginning. Hindi meaning, फिर से शुरुआत करना. Example, after failing, she was back to square one. This is your 43rd idiom, beat around the bush. English meaning, to avoid saying something directly. Hindi meaning, सीधे मुद्दे पर न आना. Example, stop beating around the bush and answer clearly. This is your 44th idiom, a drop in the ocean. English meaning, a very small amount compared to what is needed. Hindi meaning, आवश्यकता के मुकाबले बहुत कम मात्रा. Example, this donation is just a drop in the ocean. This is your 45th idiom, add fuel to the fire. English meaning, to make a bad situation worse. Hindi meaning, आग में घी डालना. Example, his comments added fuel to the fire. This is your 46th idiom, birds of a feather flock together. English meaning, people with similar interests stay together. Hindi meaning, समान विचार वाले लोग साथ रहते हैं. Example, they became friends quickly, birds of a feather flock together. This is your 47th idiom, hit the books. English meaning, to start studying seriously. Hindi meaning, गंभीरता से पढ़ाई शुरू करना. Example, it's time to hit the books for prelims. This is your 48th idiom, in black and white. English meaning, in written form. Hindi meaning, लिखित रूप में. Example, the rules are given in black and white. This is your 49th idiom, miss the boat. English meaning, to lose an opportunity. Hindi meaning, अवसर खो देना. Example, apply early or you will miss the boat. This is your 50th idiom on cloud 9. English meaning, extremely happy. Hindi meaning, बहुत अधिक खुश होना. Example, she was on cloud 9 after clearing UPSC. This is your 51st idiom, pull someone's leg. English meaning, to tease someone. Hindi meaning, मजाक करना. Example, he was just pulling your leg. This is your 52nd idiom, sit on the fence. English meaning, to avoid taking a decision. Hindi meaning, निर्णय लेने से बचना. Example, don't sit on the fence, choose your career wisely. This is your 53rd idiom, through thick and thin. English meaning, in all situations, good or bad. Hindi meaning, हर परिस्थिति में साथ देना. Example, true friends stay through thick and thin. This is your 54th idiom, throw in the towel. English meaning, to give up. Hindi meaning, हार मान लेना. Example, never throw in the towel during preparation. This is your 55th idiom, up in the air. English meaning, uncertain or undecided. Hindi meaning, अनिश्चित स्थिति में. Example, the result date is still up in the air. This is your 56th idiom, a dime a dozen. English meaning, very common and not special. Hindi meaning, बहुत आम चीज. Example, such excuses are a dime a dozen. This is your 57th idiom, face the music. English meaning, to accept punishment or consequences. Hindi meaning, परिणाम भुगतना. Example, he had to face the music for cheating. This is your 58th idiom, let the cat out of the bag. English meaning, to reveal a secret accidentally. Hindi meaning, गलती से राज खोल देना. Example, she let the cat out of the bag about the plan. This is your 59th idiom, no stone unturned. English meaning, to try every possible way. Hindi meaning, हर संभव प्रयास करना. Example, he left no stone unturned to clear the exam. This is your 60th idiom, out of the blue. English meaning, suddenly and unexpectedly. Hindi meaning, अचानक और बिना चेतावनी के. Example, out of the blue, he got a job offer. वीडियो को लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूले. This is your 61st idiom, a storm in a teacup. English meaning, making a big issue out of a small matter. Hindi meaning, छोटी बात को बड़ा मुद्दा बना देना. Example, it was just a small mistake, don't make a storm in a teacup. This is your 62nd idiom, at arm's length. English meaning, to keep distance from someone. Hindi meaning, दूरी बनाए रखना. Example, she kept negative people at arm's length. This is your 63rd idiom, bark up the wrong tree. English meaning, to make a wrong assumption. Hindi meaning, गलत व्यक्ति या दिशा में प्रयास करना. Example, if you blame him, you are barking up the wrong tree. This is your 64th idiom, bring to light. English meaning, to reveal something hidden. Hindi meaning, छिपी बात सामने लाना. Example, the investigation brought the truth to light. This is your 65th idiom, castles in the air. English meaning, unrealistic dreams or plans. Hindi meaning, हवाई किले बनाना. Example, stop building castles in the air and start working hard. This is your 66th idiom, give the benefit of the doubt. English meaning, to believe someone without proof. हिंदी मीनिंग संदेह का लाभ देना. Example: The teacher gave him the benefit of the doubt. This is your 67th idiom, go the extra mile. English meaning to make extra effort. हिंदी मीनिंग अतिरिक्त प्रयास करना. Example: She went the extra mile to clear the exam. This is your 68th idiom, in cold blood. English meaning without emotion or mercy. हिंदी मीनिंग बिना दया या भावना के. Example: The crime was committed in cold blood. This is your 69th idiom, keep your fingers crossed. English meaning to hope for good luck. हिंदी मीनिंग शुभ परिणाम की आशा करना. Example: Keep your fingers crossed for the results. This is your 70th idiom, leave no room for doubt. English meaning to make something completely clear. हिंदी मीनिंग किसी भी संदेह की गुंजाइश न छोड़ना. Example: Her answer left no room for doubt. This is your 71st idiom, make a mountain out of a molehill. English meaning to exaggerate a small issue. हिंदी मीनिंग छोटी बात को बहुत बढ़ा चढ़ाकर कहना. Example: Don't make a mountain out of a molehill. This is your 72nd idiom, on the same page. English meaning to agree with each other. हिंदी मीनिंग एक ही विचार पर सहमत होना. Example: Let's be on the same page before starting. This is your 73rd idiom, put all your eggs in one basket. English meaning to depend on one option only. हिंदी मीनिंग सारी उम्मीद एक ही विकल्प पर लगाना. Example: Don't put all your eggs in one basket in exams. This is your 74th idiom, read between the lines. English meaning to understand hidden meaning. हिंदी मीनिंग छिपे हुए अर्थ को समझना. Example: In comprehension, learn to read between the lines. This is your 75th idiom, run out of steam. English meaning to lose energy or motivation. हिंदी मीनिंग ऊर्जा या उत्साह खत्म हो जाना. Example: He ran out of steam before completing preparation. This is your 76th idiom, take it with a grain of salt. English meaning not to believe something completely. हिंदी मीनिंग किसी बात को पूरी तरह सच न मानना. Example: Take rumors with a grain of salt. This is your 77th idiom, the tip of the iceberg. English meaning a small visible part of a much bigger problem. हिंदी मीनिंग बड़ी समस्या का छोटा सा हिस्सा. Example: Corruption cases are just the tip of the iceberg. This is your 78th idiom, turn a blind eye. English meaning to ignore something intentionally. हिंदी मीनिंग जानबूझकर अनदेखा करना. Example: The officer turned a blind eye to the mistake. This is your 79th idiom, under your nose. English meaning right in front of you but unnoticed. हिंदी मीनिंग सामने होते हुए भी नजर न आना. Example: The answer was right under your nose. This is your 80th idiom, weather the storm. English meaning to survive a difficult situation. हिंदी मीनिंग कठिन परिस्थिति का सामना करके निकल जाना. Example: She weathered the storm of failure and succeeded later. This is your 81st idiom, against all odds. English meaning despite many difficulties. हिंदी मीनिंग कई कठिनाइयों के बावजूद. Example: She cleared the exam against all odds. This is your 82nd idiom, all ears. English meaning listening very carefully. हिंदी मीनिंग ध्यान से सुनना. Example: I am all ears for your advice. This is your 83rd idiom, apple of my eye. English meaning, someone very precious. Hindi meaning, बहुत प्रिय व्यक्ति. Example, her daughter is the apple of her eye. This is your 84th idiom, be in the same boat. English meaning, to be in the same situation. Hindi meaning, एक जैसी स्थिति में होना. Example, all aspirants are in the same boat. This is your 85th idiom, big fish in a small pond. English meaning, important person in a small group. Hindi meaning, छोटे समूह में बड़ा व्यक्ति. Example, he was a big fish in a small pond in school. This is your 86th idiom, break the bank. English meaning, to spend too much money. Hindi meaning, बहुत ज्यादा खर्च कर देना. Example, this course won't break the bank. This is your 87th idiom, cross that bridge when you come to it. English meaning, deal with a problem when it happens. Hindi meaning, समस्या आने पर उसका समाधान करना. Example, don't worry now, we'll cross that bridge when we come to it. This is your 88th idiom, cry wolf. English meaning, to give a false alarm. Hindi meaning, झूठा खतरा बताना. Example, don't cry wolf without reason. This is your 89th idiom, get cold feet. English meaning, to become nervous before something important. Hindi meaning, महत्वपूर्ण काम से पहले घबरा जाना. Example, he got cold feet before the interview. This is your 90th idiom, go with the flow. English meaning, to accept things as they happen. Hindi meaning, परिस्थिति के अनुसार चलना. Example, sometimes you need to go with the flow. This is your 91st idiom, jump on the bandwagon. English meaning, to follow a trend. Hindi meaning, चलन देखकर उसका अनुसरण करना. Example, many students jump on the bandwagon of popular subjects. This is your 92nd idiom, keep something at bay. English meaning, to prevent something bad from happening. Hindi meaning, किसी बुरी चीज को दूर रखना. Example, hard work keeps failure at bay. This is your 93rd idiom, know the ropes. English meaning, to understand how something works. Hindi meaning, किसी काम की पूरी जानकारी होना. Example, after 1 year, she knows the ropes of preparation. This is your 94th idiom, leave high and dry. English meaning, to abandon someone in trouble. Hindi meaning, मुसीबत में छोड़ देना. Example, he left his friend high and dry. This is your 95th idiom, make ends meet. English meaning, to manage expenses. Hindi meaning, खर्चों का गुजारा करना. Example, he works part-time to make ends meet. This is your 96th idiom, out of hand. English meaning, out of control. Hindi meaning, नियंत्रण से बाहर. Example, the situation went out of hand. This is your 97th idiom, play it safe. English meaning, to avoid risk. Hindi meaning, जोखिम से बचना. Example, he played it safe in the exam. This is your 98th idiom, pull yourself together. English meaning, to calm down and behave properly. Hindi meaning, खुद को संभालना. Example, pull yourself together and focus on studies. This is your 99th idiom, see eye to eye. English meaning, to agree completely. Hindi meaning, पूरी तरह सहमत होना. Example, we see eye to eye on this issue. This is your 100th idiom, take the bull by the horns. English meaning, to face a problem directly and bravely. Hindi meaning, समस्या का सीधे और साहस से सामना करना. Example, she took the bull by the horns and started preparation seriously. तो दोस्तों, ये थे 100 पावरफुल इडियम्स जो कम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स में बार बार आते हैं. अगर आप सच में इंग्लिश स्ट्रॉन्ग करना चाहते हैं तो रोज 2 इडियम्स याद करें और उन्हें सेंटेंस में यूज करें। वोकैब्युलरी स्ट्रॉन्ग, कॉन्फिडेंस स्ट्रॉन्ग। कॉन्फिडेंस स्ट्रॉन्ग टू सिलेक्शन स्ट्रॉन्ग। अगर वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और कमेंट में लिखें दे एक इडियम्स कंप्लीट। अगली वीडियो में मिलते हैं नए पावरफुल वर्ड्स के साथ।